Vise-Primeiru-Ministru participa encontro Komisaun Turizmu ONU ba Ásia Leste no Pacífico, no Komisaun Turizmu ONU ba Ásia Sul e a Jakarta, Indonésia.
Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, Ministro Coordenador Assunto Econômico, no Ministro Turismo no Ambiente Francisco Albuadilai, participa em encontro Comissão Conjunta Badala Tolun Resinghito, Komisaun Turizmu ONU ba Ásia Leste no Pacífico, no Komisaun Turizmu ONU ba Ásia Sul e a Jakarta, Indonésia. E discurso Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, Ministro Coordenador Assunto Econômico, no Ministro Turismo no Ambiente Francisco Albuadilai hateten, turismo no dar ferramenta importante para o desenvolvimento, no motor essencial para o desenvolvimento econômico Timor-Leste.
Ministers, distinguished delegate, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me to be today representing Timor-Leste at this important gathering. Tourism is a powerful tool for development, and for Timor-Leste is the key driver of economic growth. It creates jobs for help small business growth and bring investment to our country. And it's also helped to protect our beautiful natural. This is why our government follows three key principles in tourism development. First, economic growth. We want to tourism to support local business and also elevate well-being of our people and build a sustainable economic ecosystem. Second, social inclusivity. We ensure that tourism benefits everyone, including women, rural communities, and small entrepreneurs. Third, environment protection. We want to protect our beautiful natural blue and green economy. Beaches, forests, and marine life, so future generations can also enjoy their better life future. This meeting we are attending today are important for Timor-Leste because they connected us with other countries in our region. We can learn from their experience and find a new way to promote our country as a sustainable tourism destination. We appreciate and also thank the UN Tourism Organization under the leadership of Dr. Burrow and all your team. We also thank the Indonesia government, especially the Minister of Tourism and the Culture.
Vice-Primeiro-Ministro Mos convida participantes nação membro Sira a visita Timor-Leste onde explora cultura no fatin turismo Sira.
To conclude, I would like to invite all of you to visit our country Timor-Leste, to explore our rich cultural heritage, and witness the incredible beauty of our land. Together, we can build a sustainable and prosperous future for tourism.
Encontro ne participa o nação membro Sira, Associação Sira, no MOS, empresa Sira nebe mak atua e serviço turismo nian. Turismo ONU e Estado membro hamutuk atu Sira neng nulu, Associação nen Hanesan, Aruba, Flandres, Hong Kong, Macau, Madeira no Porto Rico. Romalo Neves, ZMN.